The add-on we are going to be talking about in this video comes bundled with Blender, so you don't have to do the extra work of downloading it from some link on the internet. But this is not enabled by default. You'll need to enable it. To do that, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. Then mark the 3D Navigation add-on to enable it. Click on the Save Preferences option in the bottom left, so Blender remembers this action next time you open it. And if you don't see this option, that might be because Auto Save Preferences is turned on. Close this window and press N to open up the sidebar. Or simply drag this tiny arrow here. Then in the View menu, click on 3D Navigation. Here, the first option lets you toggle between local and global views. This does the job of / on Numpad. Then Perspective and Orthographic View for the 5 on Numpad. And View Camera for Numpad 0. Then there are all different profile views. Also, if you don't have a 3-button mouse, then click on Pan Orbit. Then click on Up, Down, Left, or Right for panning the scene. And you can also orbit or zoom in or out in the viewport from here. But in my opinion, this add-on is alright for non-Numpad users, but it might be a little bit inconvenient for the people without 3-button mouse. So for them, it's simply better to enable the gizmos and use the coordinates over here to orbit in this scene. And for panning, left-click drag the hand icon. And use the magnifying icon for zooming in or out. You can also turn on Emulate Numpad and emulate 3-button mouse under Input in Preferences. And then use the numbers on the number row instead of Numpad. And replace the middle mouse button with the Alt key. But this might interfere sometimes with other hotkeys of Blender. So choose the one you like.